Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I am Ash Takeoff, and today's video is about my hair and this blowout that I finally got on it. No, just kidding, but this is a 22-inch V-part wig from Nadula hair, and it's giving very much so in wintertime leave out vibes. All right, so if you want to see how I got this install, very simple, you should keep on watching. So to install this wig, I am going to be doing 2 small ankle braids near my leave out. A V-part wig is supposed to be able to have minimum to no leave out, but from previous experience with about 2 or 3 wigs now, I do prefer a leave out. So that is my sectioning right there. And these are my 2 ankle braids that I have. So I would literally just pull those back and put my hair in a low ponytail. And with my ponytail, I split it in half and plait it down. And then those 2 pieces, I literally just bobby pin it up. Very simple, but you guys will get to see that in the next few clips. So this was kind of like my hack for not having my bun be so bulky under my wig. Low ponytail it out. If you cannot braid, flat twist, plait, put you a low ponytail. Really do what I just did and bobby pin it down. All right. So this is the hair again. This is a 22-inch V-part body wave wig from Nadula hair, and attached is a special coupon code that you guys can use for money off. So if you are interested in this wig, please feel free to use it because you will save you some coins. So I always start with my anchor braid clips first, just to make sure I have the wig where I need it at, because my head is like small average size, so sometimes my wigs can be a little too big for my head, but this fits my head pretty decent. It does have a little space in the back, but it's not noticeable because of how lightweight and seamless this V-part clips on. To help the look of a sew-in, I did leave some hair out on the sides. That's what you guys see, like those little braids near the front. I will take those out later and flat iron. Whenever I am putting heat to my hair, I always use heat protectant, as well as using my styling tool on a very low setting, because it doesn't really take much to get my hair straight, but I really try not to use that much heat on it. But for this style, I know I had to use some heat. So I'm just trying to make sure I get my part in the center or close to it. I suck at parting my hair in the center. But I did go ahead and flat iron one side, and this is me going in with the next side. The heat or steam or smoke that you guys are seeing, that's from my heat protectant. I am flat ironing this on like 338. It's very low setting, so you literally just see the heat protectant basically. Like, I'm not frying my hair, people. It's literally only on 300. But my hair, I mean, even on 300, she flat irons pretty decent. I would wear my hair like this, honestly. Like, I think that's why I paused for a second, because I'm just like, do I really want to keep going and flat iron this hair? But that's how she's looking from the top. Yes, my hair is black. I dye my hair black, and the wig is kind of like a natural 1B, but it doesn't bother me. I think it's kind of cute. Y'all, when you're doing your hair, sometimes you just gotta like listen to some music and just rock out, because that's literally what I was doing. But now we are moving on to the hair on this unit. So I'm going for a silk press look, like a yaki, natural hair is mine maybe look. So I'm literally just going to be taking my flat iron and literally flat iron this wig out. Here's my heat protectant. It's my Tresemme thermal. I have another brand that I typically use, but it's been out of stock. I really need to find it, but I like the Tresemme so far. It's lightweight. It's not heavy or weighing on the hair. So far, I think it's pretty decent, and it has a good little smell to it. So that's what I used on my natural hair, as well as the hair on this unit. I wish I had a mannequin head so I could have did this before styling. I think that's pretty useful. So if you guys have a way that you could flat iron it before you actually install and just have her ready to go, I think that'd be great. But moving on, this process gets pretty redundant, so I'm just going to fast forward it, and then I'll be back to you guys in a second. Y'all, the hair flat iron's so pretty, and I was in shock with how my hair, even though it's a little bit darker than it, was blending very well with it. So this is how she's looking so far. This is a close-up of the actual parting space with my hair next to the Vpart wig, and I'm just showing you guys literally how much I left out. My hair is a little finer, so that's why I kind of left a little more out, but I still have a thin section of leave out. It's way less than what a U-part wig requires. So this is just me brushing through the hair, just trying to help it blend out. A hard bristle brush does help to, you know, get your hair more blended with the wig. So that's just all I'm doing. And this hair is just so soft and pretty, guys. That's another close-up of how it looks. I need to fix my part a little. And guys, I still don't think I got it in the middle, but I tried. I tried so hard. So I couldn't really get an ending with my hair straight, but this is my hair the next day. This is how I slept, you guys. And honestly, I love the messy hair look. And I'm literally just going to be brushing this out a little bit, putting that part back in it. And I'm going to wear it just like this because me personally, everything doesn't have to be unified when it comes to the actual way the hair is laying. I just feel like it helps adds to like the natural look of it. All right. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, give me a like and comment down below what you guys think. Would you rock a V-part wig? Have you ever had one? Let me know. Chop it up. All right. Thank you again to Nadula Hair. Y'all, all the information on this hair will be in the description box, and you guys should definitely check it out. All right. You should check it out because I've gotten compliments on this hair. I've only worn it for like 2 days, and I've gotten compliments on my Instagram story and out in public. And it's really nice to be in like the wintertime vibes because my hair does not poof up outside, so it lasts longer. I could put heat on my hair today and it'll still be good and ready to wear a few days later, as long as I'm careful in the shower, which is why I try to wrap it up. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like and come on and subscribe to my channel to come take off with me, and we just gonna be popping on this journey. So as always, until my next video, bye guys.